Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So first let me show you today's date and time. So today is 18th of January 2021 and currently time is 9:38 AM. So coming on to our today's trade, today I have taken a trade in Axis Bank and here I have gone for the selling side. So traders, I have sold 5 quantities with this target, and our maximum risk here is of 22 rupees traders only. So if we are losing, then the risk is only 22 rupees, and here we are trying to gain a risk reward ratio of 1:2. Okay traders, so this is the trade which is going on, and this is our target, and here is our stop loss. Okay traders, so we came very near to our target, but from there it is gaining some support. Okay traders, so no problem, we will wait. And also traders, what I have did is that when it showed a good momentum towards the target, I have trailed my stop loss to my cost price. Okay traders, so let's see, we are waiting for our target and now we are having no risk at all. So we will wait, and traders, when it will hit our target I will update you. So traders, here you can see that our trail stop loss was got triggered. Okay traders, so traders, I can see here also that now price will go down and hit our target. There are many chances that this will happen. Okay traders, but since our trail stop loss is hit, we are not entering again. And traders, yes, today we made a little mistake that we trailed our stop loss very aggressively. Okay traders, so this is the mistake, and from now on we will try to not trail our stop loss this much aggressively, that we will trail it very by taking some time and by seeing some good price action. Okay traders, so again today's trade is no profit no loss. That's accepted totally because we have not given any kind of loss today. So let me show you the terminal on which I have took the trade. Okay traders, so only Axis Bank I have traded with, it is showing minus 0.25 loss, so which is not even half rupees. Okay traders, so no problem, and this was our trade. So let me tell you the logic or the setup which I was using. So coming on to the 15-minute time frame traders, you can see our triangle pattern was formed. Okay, so again now coming on to 1-minute time frame, what happened in the morning? Price came, okay traders, gave a breakout, again gone for the retracement, and when it was again coming downside, I entered into the trade with this target, and you can see what had happened. Our trade stop loss was got hit. So simple trade with simple logic, and this was our today's trade. So traders, I hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.